Alright, hello everybody. So today, I'm sorting through all of my clothes right here. My sweatshirts in my closet. And look what I found. One of my many DieselDucy elevator shirts. Let me back up so you guys can see it better. Hopefully. Okay, I know I'm in frame. Let's go down so you can see it. I don't know if it's picking up the letters good or not. Plus, I can't see with my visual impairment and the contrast is not the greatest. This is one of my very thick shirts. That I got, I think for Christmas about a few years ago. Like, 2018, I don't remember. But anyways, I got it from on a special occasion. My parents got this for me offline when I was younger. I thought this would be a nice thing to share with you guys really quick. I'm organizing some of my clothes because like I'm trying to what I want to keep in on, and most of these I really do like. The very first one is my Elevator Union shirt. Let me show you really quick. It's not as thick as the one I'm wearing right now. I'm only putting this on so that way I could just show it to you guys. So it's like my Elevator Union shirt is right here. And on the back, I don't know where the logo is. Somewhere. Oh, here it is, I think. Oh, wait, nope, it's on the front. Excuse me. All right, here we go. Here's a better... But yeah, like here's the logo right here. There we go. It's actually Suburban Elevator Company. An elevator in Schaumburg at Woodfield was modernized by Suburban. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this off and finish organizing. And if I find some of my other DieselDucy elevator shirt clothes, I'm probably thinking this is the only one. Then I'll let you guys know. All right, bye. See you guys in the next elevator video.